Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of recursive sequences for the standard A.12C in the great state of Texas. We are using item number 40 of the 2025 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, we will look at our answers together. All right, so we have a recursive sequence here. And we've got the equation already given to us. Sometimes they'll give us the terms and ask us to generate the equation, but they actually give us the equation and they want us to generate the terms here. Now, what do we know about this? Well, we have a common ratio, and it is 1.1. And so that means that since we have that common ratio, it is a geometric sequence, and our numbers are going to be getting larger because the 1.1 it's greater than 1. It's positive, right? And all of these sequences are getting larger, so that doesn't necessarily help us. But we might have gotten an answer selection that had numbers getting smaller, so that's not going to be too big of a deal. Let's get a calculator out, and it doesn't matter which one we use. I'll use the A.84, whichever one you're most comfortable with. Now, we need the first four terms, because look at our answer selections here. Our answer selections are going to have the first four terms of our sequence. And let's see what we have here. They already give us A1. Okay, so we need to use this A to the N equals 1.1A and then sub N minus 1. But we already have the first term because it's given it to us. So our first term is going to be this 100. So let's just go ahead and put that first term, 100, and we'll put the order or the number, that first term right there, and then let's just kind of keep moving it off here. And your second term is going to be, and then let's plug this in. Now it's the second term, right? We're going to do 1.1 times, and then the previous sequence, right? So it's the A and then whatever it was previously. So it's going to be this N minus 2, right? So these are my N's. N equals 1, N equals 2. So what I need is A to the 2 minus 1, which is just simply 1. So what is A to the 1? Well, I've got it right there. It's 100. So I'm just going to simply multiply. All that being said, it seems like it's kind of a lot, but it's not necessarily a lot. It's going to be 100 times 1.1 because that's our common ratio. All right, so 110. All right, so our second term is going to be 110. Let's get that right. Now, let's get our third term. But now what I need to do is I need to do 1.1 times A to the, and then 3 minus 1, which is simply 2. So what's my second term? Is 110. So now I need to take that 110. So that's really just 1.1 times 110. So we're just going to take each term, we're going to multiply it by the 1.1 of the previous term. So I've got my 121, okay? So we can put that right there. And then all we need is the fourth term, right? So we're going to take, if we put it back in the sequence right here, right, you see A to the 4. I'll go ahead and write the whole thing out just in case you see what's going on. 1.1 times A to the 4 minus 1. What's A to the 4 minus 1? That's A to the 3. What is A to the 3? 121. So A to the 4 is really just going to be 1.1 times 121. Let's just multiply that by 1.1. 133.1, and that should be enough. 133.1. Now you see we've got all four of them spelled out here, and we are going to see them right down here on D. 100, 110, 121, 133.1, and the rest just simply don't work. So that is going to be our answer D.